Hello guys, this is Graphite. In this video I am giving you a tutorial for how to make bullet counting effect like Shru Gaming in Alight Motion that you have seen in a preview. So let's get started. For that, open Alight Motion. Create a 16:9 project. Now import your clip. Here I am choosing this one, okay. Now mark the point where first and last bullet comes out. So the first mark is 1.20 here, and the last mark is 2.09. okay. Now go to text and enter the bullet count. Here I am choosing 30 and use your own font, but I am suggesting contrast bold, okay. Then take white color. Now go to move and transform and align it to the center of the wall like this. Now go back and cut off the remaining part. Again go to move and transform and add a keyframe at first. And add a keyframe at the next second like 1.21, 1.23, 1.24 like that, and align it to the center. Repeat the process until end. Now it will look like this. Now go to Effects, Text, Count up or down. Click Standard Settings. Add a keyframe at first and last and move it to 0. Here we can see that the alignment gone wrong. So all you need is to go to move and transform and delete keyframe and add a new one, then align. You can see that it tracked perfectly. Now duplicate the layer for adding some glow effect. Click the first layer and go to Effects, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Click Standard Settings. Set the blur to 0.195. The video is ready to be exported.